Okay, superficial muscle is called the gracilis. So these are the inner thigh muscles. Move back the gracilis. All right, we have the semimembranosus, which is here. Above the semimembranosus, we have the adductor femoris. And above the adductor femoris is the adductor longus. And then this muscle that's pink or kind of brownish is the pectineus muscle. The longest muscle in the body is called the sartorius. Right, so I'm going to move back the sartorius. The inner thigh muscle is called the vastus medialis. Right. On the outside of the rabbit, we have the vastus lateralis. Open it up. This muscle here is the rectus femoris. And right up under the rectus femoris, we have the vastus intermedius. On the back of the cat, we have the gastrocnemius. All right, that's the hamstring. Above the gastrocnemius, we have the bicep femoris, and then the semitendinosus. If you lift this muscle up, all right, there's a nerve. All right, it's the longest nerve in the body. It's called the sciatic nerve.